storage video. Today I'm gonna switch out the old license plate holder with this new one. This is much smaller, so this looks much better on my bike. I'm also gonna show you how to install this new one. Okay, so let's just begin then. The first thing you need to do is to take off the seat, and then you need to unscrew all the screws and this gate. So I'm gonna just take off the seat like this, take out the screws, take it off carefully and nice. Then the first thing we're gonna do is to take off the screws on the side here. Then you take off these screws. Then the tricky part came. You need to bend it around and then take the other part off. Now we are ready to take all these wires off. Okay, so now you need to take off the old wires to the old blinkers and the old braking light. So you need this very small flat one. Okay, you remember to remove the side that's on the wires that's connected on the back here. Okay, so remove that carefully and nice. When you got it loose, you take the wires off carefully, and I'm gonna screw the screws back so it don't fall out. So now we don't have a problem when we're gonna get it back. Now, when everything is loose, oh, this is not loose. And take those off, and take these off. Oh, this one's hard. There you go. Now everything is loose, so you don't have a problem. Okay, to the next step. Okay, so now you need to unscrew this screw and this one at the start here. Okay, so I'm just gonna screw it up there. Okay, so now we're gonna unscrew these screws under here. Take the screws in a safe place, and then you're ready to go to the next step. Now the whole thing should be loose, so you can slide it up like this. Then there you go. Okay, so now you need to find a place where you're gonna set this license plate holder. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go under here or in the back here. So I'm gonna find it out. Okay, so I'm gonna replace my license plate holder here, and so then I need to take this off and set it right here, so I could screw the license plate on. Okay, so I'm gonna replace it here. Okay, so now we have two. Then you need to get the old screws. I have these red ones, so it matches the bike. You need to be careful so you don't get it the wrong way. I'm gonna set it with these ones up or against me. Okay, so my screws was a little too big, so I made the holes bigger and screw it on. Oh, and I didn't remember to say that I bought this license plate holder on eBay for around $1 or something. So it's very cheap. I'm gonna set the link to it in the description so you can find it if you want. It's universal, so it fits every motorcycle. So that's no problem. Here you have a new one. Okay, so let's rebuild the bike again. Okay, so let's find your cape and get it in place. When you're finished with these capes, we're gonna set on the seat. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to install this LED light that's gonna get in the rear here. it's also indicators on each side and braking lights. So I'm gonna show you how to install that in my next video. So stay tuned.